Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zoho meeting app on your mobile device. First, download the app from your device's app store, then open it. You can easily sign in using your Zoho, Google, or Apple account. Remember, participants don't need an account to join your meetings, making it simple for everyone to connect quickly and efficiently. Joining a meeting is straightforward. Simply tap the invitation link or enter the 10-digit meeting key. If you're hosting, you can start an instant meeting or schedule one for later, right from your mobile device. Zoho Meeting allows you to host secure sessions with up to 250 participants, ensuring everyone can connect and collaborate effectively. During a meeting, you can easily share your entire mobile screen or just a specific application to keep everyone on the same page. Collaborate in real time using the live chat, participate in polls, and ask questions through the queue and a feature. You also have moderator controls, like muting individual participants or everyone, to ensure smooth discussions. For advanced functionality, you can record your meetings directly from the iOS mobile app, capturing both audio and screen sharing. These recordings are stored in the cloud, making it easy to access and share them with team members who couldn't attend. And for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.